In fact, we have more details coming in because the opposition, the Maharashtra, this is the Mahavikas Aghadi in Maharashtra, the MVA alliance of Shiv Sena UBT, the NCP, SP and Congress who have called off their bunds today, but they are holding a protest. Remember, the High Court had in a directive said this is a response to the petition which had challenged a call for general strike. They had restrained any person or political party from issuing a call and asked the state government to take a preventive step. Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray had said that he disagreed with the High Court order, but the opposition bloc MVA has withdrawn its proposed shutdown. He said that leaders and workers from opposition parties will, however, protest against the Mahayuti government with the black bands, which you can see on your screens tied around their mouths, and that's the latest which is happening on the ground as well. My colleague Vinesh joining us with more details on the same. Give us more details really on what's happening on the ground. MVA protest, I believe, has begun already.
Well, the protest is about to begin. Time was given around 11 a.m. wherein various party leaders, the top leadership of Shiv Sena UBT will assemble at the Shiv Sena Sena Bhavan, which is situated in Mumbai's Dadar area. Meanwhile, I'll just pan around and show you the situation around here, wherein people and police personnel are appearing in great number. Meanwhile, a poster is also been set up into streets of Dadar area, which mentions of how people who have sensitivity in their heart, who are willing to stand in solidarity, should support the Maharashtra Bandh. However, the Maharashtra Bandh is now turned into a silent protest after the High Court observed that the state or any authority of state should not call for a bandh as it would disturb the safety, security and financial conditions of the state. However, I would just like to show other visuals on the other side of the Sena Bhavan, wherein people are, the Shivsainiks are turning up with black ribbons tied to their faces. Now this comes after whatever happened in Badlapur, and they have been complaining of a similar situation occurring in various locations of Maharashtra, and the protest is called upon in order to seek attention of the Maharashtra government, which is facing lawlessness and insensitivity. We'll just go across these female individuals, protesters, and we'll just speak to them. ताई आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आप लोग पट्टी बांध कर आए हैं, क्या प्रोटेस्ट दर्ज करवाना चाह रहे हैं?
हाँ, पट्टी तो बांध कर आए हैं, लेकिन हम लोग मुक्का आंदोलन करने के लिए आए हैं, क्योंकि महाराष्ट्र में चल रहा है, जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे उनको ऊपर अत्याचार हो रहा है, बलात्कार हो रहा है, ये अच्छा नहीं लगता है। इसलिए साहब, हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जो उद्धव साहब है, उसने आदेश दिया है मुक्का आंदोलन करने के लिए। इसलिए
आप क्या कहेंगी? आप जो सब प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कल हाईकोर्ट ने प्रोटेस्ट से इनकार किया था। जो अपोजिशन है वो कह रहा है कि आपको संविधान में भरोसा नहीं, फिर भी प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, हाईकोर्ट का अवमानना कर रहे हैं।
संविधान पर भरोसा नहीं है, इसके लिए ही प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। संविधान पर भरोसा नहीं है ऐसा उनको नहीं है, हमें संविधान पर भरोसा है और हमारा संविधान मिटाने की कोशिश ये सरकार कर रही है, महायुति सरकार कर रही है। अभी ये प्रोटेस्ट जो हो रहा है, हमारे पक्ष प्रमुख उद्धव साहब खुद यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं और हम मूक आंदोलन कर रहे हैं, ताकि सरकार को नहीं, सरकार को तो जाग कभी आएगी ही नहीं, सरकार कभी उठेगा ही नहीं, लेकिन जनता जागरूक हो, इसके लिए हम ये मूक आंदोलन कर रहे हैं।
You are hearing the protesters who say that the voices need to be raised, which the state government is trying to curtail, and this silent protest is trying to awaken the society, because there is not one instance but multiple instances which are coming into light post the Badlapur incident also, and the Sarkar, the government is being insensitive into this particular matter, as they are calling the protesters politically motivated protesters. So this is somewhat the protesters are saying, and this is not the location or situation at Sena Bhavan at one particular location, but various protests are called upon at multiple locations in state, wherein Congress chief Nana Patole and other leaders will also participate in the silence protest.